This machine turns the constant power of waves into electricity. It uses a system of floaters. As the waves come, they create an up and down movement. The movement of the floaters compresses and decompresses hydraulic pistons, which transmit biodegradable hydraulic fluid into land-located accumulators. Pressure is built in the accumulators. This pressure rotates a hydraulic motor, which rotates the generator, and then the electricity is transferred into the grid via an inverter. Hundreds of commercial-scale floaters could power whole towns. The floaters also protect themselves from swell by rising out of the water during a storm. Once the storm passes, they automatically resume energy conversion. The simple but smart design allows the floaters to be attached to existing man-made structures, thereby simplifying installation, maintenance, and accessibility. Wave power could play a major role in the ongoing clean energy transition.